Hi again, this is Rick with AmazingAccuracy.com, and today is July 21st, 2015. It's currently 8:45 p.m. Chicago time. All right, folks, YouTubers, traders, hermits, and the rest of you out there. I'm just going over my market forecasts for today, and I thought, you know what, I'll go ahead and do a quick video to share with my subscribers that watch my YouTube vids. And you get kind of one of those rare opportunities to take a look inside of one area here of our FDates market forecasting membership. And right now I'm currently in the recent activity area. You can see it says it right here, recent activity. And you can see that here are the forecasts that I've done today. Here's a typo, it says 722, but you can see the dates right here. I did it on 721. So anyway, that's 721. Ignore that. But what I'm going to do here is, you can see I've got bonds and lean hogs and S&P and gold and silver, and below here's coffee and Canadian dollar, but you can't see, that's off the screen. But I'm going to share with you just today, because this is for our members here, but I'm going to share for you who watch these videos the SP 500, since there seems to be more of you than trading the other markets. So you just simply click that, and then that goes into, and you can see a whole list of the different markets here, and how many posts there currently are for those. But here, let's just go through real quick here on what we're discussing on the S&P 500. I make a note that a DST, and if you're familiar with my videos or my work, you know that a DST is a daily swing top. It's a confirmed swing top. It's not a reversal day. People get that mixed up. They think, if the market is going up, and then one day it turns around and goes down for that day, they call that a reversal day. A daily swing top is an actual confirmed swing top, where it goes beyond just being a negative day in a bullish trend. It's where the price actually then moves in the opposite direction, and I'll show you a chart in a second. But anyway, it says it confirmed today for 720, and the F date is 720, which you'll also see. And today is 721, so we can see that it confirmed for 720 because today prices moved below the low of 720, with 720 being the top, and that confirmed it as a DST, or a swing top. And then it says here that the next DFD, which is daily F date, because we have daily and then there's weekly, and then periodically I'll even share a monthly F date. But this is the next daily F date is 724, and a potential next launch pad, and I'll explain that too. But basically, if we just confirmed a swing top, as it shows right here, for 720, and prices are then dropping down into the 724 time period where the next F date is located, then we would expect it most likely to produce a DSB, which would be a daily swing bottom for this next F date. And if it's going to make a bottom, then that means prices then would go back up. Thus I called it a launch pad, because it's, takeoff, you go up again, right? Okay, maybe I should have used some other terms, but everybody gets used to how I talk or write, and we just go from there. Meanwhile, I'm also anticipating potential support levels as it moves down from 720 into the 724 time period. And I put some Fibonacci numbers here. 2091 is 38%, 2080 is 50%, and 2069 is 62%. And I also calculated some time price square support values, at 2089 and 2080. And if you'll look at that and compare it to this right here, you'll notice that they are the same. Okay, 2091, 2089 are basically the same. 2080 definitely the same. So I would definitely be looking at the correction to the 38 or the 50 more so than I would be expecting it to go all the way down to 62. Okay, and then I also noted here, okay, that it's a confluence between the two. All right, and then I sign off. Now let me go ahead and move the camera over to the chart. Okay, and here we go. Hope you weren't dizzy following me over here, but let's see, I'm going to move this camera up a little bit. Okay, if you'll notice here, that high you see right here, this very top here, 21, 25, 50, that was yesterday, 720, that was the top. Okay, and if you'll notice that prices have moved down. Okay, they moved down lower, confirming this as a swing top. And you also notice that the high is just entering into this overbought zone here, which is a nice additional indicator with the provisions charting software. You can, toggle that on and off real easy by pressing the O key. Anyway, so we confirmed that, and if you'll notice that that's this F date right here. I put my mouse over that red diamond right here, and you can see that it highlights that price bar. Okay, so we were in anticipation of a swing occurring here, so that happened. Now the next one is right here, and that's 724, which I've already mentioned. Now you see some notes down here, and let me explain what that is real quick. Okay, this is a GAN calculation here that came off of the FDates 2000 application. That's why I have a little G there. And that's 727. Now, for those of you who understand trading days, 724 is Friday. 727 is just one day after 724, which is Monday. So we go by plus or minus 1 day being a trading day, because there's not going to be anything going on Saturday. Okay, so here we have the F date for 724, but then I've got this other indicator saying 727, and you might think, well, 724 and 727, that's 3 days apart, but no, that's one day apart. Okay, because all these calculations are done only with trading days. Weekends are ignored. All right, so that is within this area right here. Then you're also going to notice 723S10. That's secret number 10 in my book, Market Forecasting Secrets book. That's secret number 10 that I came up with this 723. So that's the day before. So basically, the F date 724 is right in the middle of these two here. So I know that we need to be expecting something to happen right around here. And like I had mentioned in that forecast that we looked at a moment ago, here are some support levels, and here's the two that I had mentioned. Okay, right here, this is the one, 2090 or 2091, because that's 0.93, so that's 2091 and 2080, and those are the two that I would suspect. And also you might notice there's a short-term OS in here for the 2090 area here, so that's worth looking at, because the square was 2089 and 2080, which agrees with both of these. So perhaps we'll be looking first here at the 2090 level, and then if it breaks that, then I would be looking at 2080. But right now, because even the time between here and here is short, it's a very short period of time, it may only have enough downward gump to get down to 2090. Well, there you go, folks. That's my forecast for today in the SP 500, and a quick sneak into my membership forum for those of you who have never been a part of it before. Thanks again for watching my video. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe. I also have a free newsletter. Just visit my website at amazingaccuracy.com or fdatesforum.com and just sign up there. And from time to time, you'll get a newsletter with forecasts included. Take care. Until next time.